In today's video, I will teach you guys how you guys can prompt on Midjourney. So for those people who do not know what Midjourney is a bot or like a server in Discord in which you guys can create images using text. It's basically a AI which reads the text you write and creates the image out of that text, alright? And prompt are basically a set of code which you give to the AI on Discord, and according to the prompt you give, it's going to perform the task. Now there's multiple prompts on Midjourney, but I'm not going to go through all of them. I'm just going to go through the basic prompts which you need to know in order to use Midjourney, alright? So if you know the prompts which I'm going to tell you, you guys should be able to use Midjourney without any problem. So follow the step which I'm going to show you. But before that, hit that subscribe to our channel How to Guide, and let's move on. So to access prompt, what you can do is go on the server of Midjourney and click on where it says newbies. Once you're inside newbies where it says messages, click on it. Now, in order to use any prompt, you have to write / like this. Once you write / it's going to show you all the prompt over here. As you guys can see, all the prompt. So from this, I'm going to tell you what these prompt does, alright? Because you only need to know these prompt. If you want to know all of this, you can do that. But if I go through each and every single one of them, this video is going to be a 10-hour video, alright? So if you want to create any image, you can click on /image. With this prompt, you can write anything. I can write a car and press enter, and Midjourney will generate a car. And if I write /settings, then it's going to open the settings of Midjourney over here, like this. And if I write /private, it's going to open stealth mode, which means any image I generate, only I can see it. No one else over here can see it. That is basically what this does. And if I write /describe, what it does is it's going to ask me to upload a photo. If you want to upload a photo on Midjourney, you want to write /describe. Now, if you want to use other prompt, you can write / and you can, choose from over here. These are all the prompt of Midjourney. So as you guys can see over here. So yeah, that's basically how you guys can prompt on Midjourney, and it has also explained what these, prompt does. With Imagine, you can create an image with Midjourney. With Private, you can toggle stealth mode. So, just below all of these prompt, it explains what these prompt does. So you can read them to, use them if you want to as well. So that's how you guys can prompt on Midjourney. If you guys found our video helpful, hit that subscribe to our channel How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.